My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA second semester subject Rural Marketing as prescribed by JNTUH and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 3 first important short question is Rural Market Brand. A rural market brand is a brand specially designed, marketed, or positioned to attract rural customers. It focuses on affordability, trust, quality, and availability because rural consumers prefer products that fit their daily needs and budgets. For example, Lifebuoy soap and Parle-G biscuits are very popular in villages because they are low-priced, widely available, and advertised in a relatable way. Companies often use local languages, rural celebrities, and traditional media to promote these brands. Brands in rural markets succeed when they provide good quality at a reasonable price, build trust and emotional connection through consistent service, ensure availability in local shops and weekly markets. In short, a rural market brand isn't just about a name, it's about winning the hearts of villagers by solving their daily problems. Memory tip: rural brand is equal to quality plus trust plus availability plus affordability. Next important short question is 2. Define channel management. Channel management means planning, building, and controlling the path through which products move from the company to the customer. In simple words, it is about deciding how to deliver products to buyers in the easiest, fastest, and most cost-effective way. In rural markets, this is very important because villages are often spread out, have fewer shops, and poor roads. Companies need to create strong distribution networks with wholesalers, retailers, stockists, and village-level sellers to make products easily available. For example, Hindustan Unilever's Shakti Amma program trains rural women to sell products in their villages, making it easier to reach customers. Good channel management ensures availability of products in every small shop, lower distribution costs, customer satisfaction by making products accessible. Memory tip: channel management is equal to right product plus right place plus right time. Next important short question is 3. Rural Retail Channel Management. Rural retail channel management is the process of planning and organizing how products reach rural customers through retail shops and outlets. It focuses on building a strong network of retailers, wholesalers, and village-level sellers so that products are available even in remote villages. Rural areas face challenges like scattered villages, poor roads, and limited shopkeepers. To solve this, companies use innovative methods like mobile vans that deliver products to small shops, village-level entrepreneurs who sell products door-to-door, partnering with local kirana stores as key distribution points. For example, ITC's eChopal and HUL's Project Shakti created strong retail networks to reach even the smallest villages, making products easily available. Good rural retail channel management helps companies increase sales, reduce costs, and build trust with rural customers. Memory tip: rural retail channel is equal to smart routes plus local shops plus easy access. Next Unit 3. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Explain the concept of brand loyalty and its importance in rural markets. Brand loyalty and its importance in rural markets. Brand loyalty means when customers trust and regularly buy the same brand instead of switching to other brands. It shows their confidence, satisfaction, and emotional connection with a product or company. For example, Many Indian families use Tata Salt or Surf Excel for years because they trust the quality. In rural markets, brand loyalty is powerful because rural customers often have limited product choices and depend on word-of-mouth recommendations. Once they trust a brand, they rarely switch, even if prices rise slightly. This loyalty is built through consistent product quality, good service, and strong relationships with local shopkeepers. Importance of brand loyalty in rural markets. 1. Strong trust and reputation. Rural buyers rely heavily on trust. A brand with a good reputation can easily gain loyal customers. 2. Lower marketing costs. When customers are loyal, companies don't have to spend too much on advertising. Word-of-mouth promotion works well in villages. 3. Stable sales. Loyal customers buy repeatedly, ensuring regular sales even during competition. 4. Competitive advantage. Competitors find it difficult to replace a trusted brand in rural areas. 5. Better business growth. Loyal customers help expand the market by recommending the product to friends and family. Example: Hindustan Unilever's Lifebuoy soap became a household name in villages because of consistent quality, affordable price, and strong promotion. Today, many rural families buy Lifebuoy without even looking for alternatives. Quick tip to remember: brand loyalty in rural markets is equal to trust plus consistency plus relationships. If customers trust your brand, they'll become lifelong buyers. Next important long question is: 2. Discuss the differences between regional brands and national brands with examples. Differences between regional brands and national brands. In marketing, brands are divided based on their geographical reach and popularity. The two main types are regional brands and national brands. Let's understand both clearly. Regional brands. Meaning, a regional brand is sold in specific states, regions, or districts instead of the whole country. Focus: these brands mainly target local customers and focus on regional needs and tastes. Scale: production, marketing, and distribution are smaller compared to national brands. Example: Nandini dairy products are popular in Karnataka. Avin milk is well known in Tamil Nadu. These brands are trusted in their areas but are not widely available across India. National brands. Meaning, a national brand is sold across the entire country and has a larger presence and recognition. Focus: it caters to the whole Indian market, considering both rural and urban consumers. Scale: it has large-scale production, big advertising campaigns, and a strong supply chain. Example: Amul is a national dairy brand trusted all over India. Tata Salt is available across the country. Basis: regional brands, national brands. Market reach limited to specific states or regions available across India. Customer base: local customers, nationwide customers. Advertising: low budget, regional ads high budget, national level campaigns. Brand awareness: popular only in certain areas, well known across the country. Example: Nandini, Avin, Haldiram, regional varieties, Amul, Tata, Parle, Dabur. Relevance in rural markets. Regional brands often succeed in rural areas because they understand local culture and tastes. National brands build trust through consistency and wide availability. Quick tip to remember: regional brands is equal to local heroes, popular in one area. National brands is equal to all India stars, trusted everywhere. Next important long question is: 3. Explain the concept and importance of channel management in rural marketing. Channel management in rural marketing. Concept: Channel management means planning, creating, and controlling the path through which products move from the company, manufacturer, to the final customer. In simple words, it is about choosing and managing the middlemen, like wholesalers, distributors, retailers, who help deliver goods to rural customers. Rural markets are large but spread out over many villages with poor transport facilities. So, effective channel management ensures that even a small village gets access to the product. Importance in rural marketing. 1. Reaches remote areas. Many villages are far from cities, and transportation is not always easy. Good channel management helps companies deliver their products to these remote areas. For example, Hindustan Unilever uses local stockists and rural retailers to reach remote villages. 2. Builds trust and brand image. Villagers trust local shopkeepers. Having a reliable distribution channel ensures that products are always available and creates brand loyalty. 3. Cost-effective delivery. Proper channel planning reduces the cost of moving goods over long distances, making products affordable for rural customers. 4. Supports local employment. Distributors, small shopkeepers, and delivery agents get employment, boosting the local economy. 5. Promotes awareness. Distributors and retailers also act as brand promoters by suggesting products to villagers and explaining their benefits. Key features of rural channel management. Use of multilevel distribution, company distributor wholesaler retailer customer. Innovative methods like bicycle delivery, vans, and village fairs. Partnerships with local entrepreneurs who know village needs. Example. Hindustan Unilever's Project Shakti trains rural women to become sales agents, helping the company sell soaps and shampoos in villages while giving women a source of income. Quick tip to remember. Channel management is equal to right product, right place, right time, right people. It is the backbone of rural marketing because a product is successful only if it reaches the village customer quickly and affordably. Next important long question is 4. Write a detailed note on rural retail market and its challenges. Rural retail market and its challenges. Concept. The rural retail market refers to all the small shops, weekly markets, fairs, melas, and other retail points in villages where people buy daily goods. Unlike cities with malls and supermarkets, rural retail is mostly small-scale and traditional, run by local shopkeepers. This market is huge in India, covering over 6.5 lakh villages and providing a large opportunity for businesses to sell products like groceries, clothes, fertilizers, and mobile recharge. Features of rural retail market. 1. Highly scattered, villages are spread across a large area, making retailing challenging. 2. Traditional setup, shops are usually small kirana stores or open stalls. 3. Cash-based transactions, most villagers buy in cash, and credit cards or UPI are still less common in remote areas. 4. Trust-based sales. Customers often trust shopkeepers' recommendations over advertisements. 5. Seasonal demand, sales increase during festivals and harvest seasons when villagers have more income. Challenges in rural retail market. 1. Poor infrastructure. Roads, electricity, and storage facilities are often lacking. This increases transport costs and affects product availability. 2. Low purchasing power. Many villagers earn less, so they prefer small packs, example, 5 rupee shampoo sachets, instead of bulk buying. 3. Limited awareness. Villagers may not know about branded products because of low exposure to advertisements. 4. Credit culture. Shopkeepers often give goods on credit, leading to delays in cash flow. 5. High distribution costs. Delivering products to remote villages is expensive for companies. Example: Hindustan Unilever and ITC have developed innovative rural retail models like van delivery, heart marketing, and Project Shakti, training rural women to sell products, which helps overcome challenges and reach deep rural areas. Easy tip to remember: rural retail is equal to huge market plus small shops plus big challenges. It's a gold mine for companies, but success depends on solving distribution, awareness, and infrastructure problems. Next important long question is: 5. Describe the strategies of rural retail channel management in detail. Strategies of rural retail channel management. Concept: rural retail channel management is about planning and managing how products reach village customers. It includes choosing the right routes, people, and methods to distribute goods effectively. Since rural areas are large, scattered, and have poor infrastructure, companies must use creative strategies to make products easily available and affordable for villagers. Key strategies: 1. Hub and spoke distribution model. Companies create a hub, big warehouse, in a nearby town and distribute goods to small village shops through smaller transport vehicles. Example: ITC's eChopal connects farmers to markets while delivering consumer goods through local hubs. 2. Appointing local distributors and stockists. Appointing village-level distributors reduces costs and builds trust. Distributors store goods in small quantities and supply them to retailers. Example: Hindustan Unilever uses small stockists to reach remote villages effectively. 3. Van and mobile distribution. Companies use vans or mobile shops to deliver products directly to villages, especially where there are no proper stores. Example: Coca-Cola and Nestle deliver cold drinks and snacks through delivery vans. 4. Using haats and melas. Weekly village markets, haats, and fairs, melas, are popular gathering spots. Companies sell and promote products directly here to reach many customers at once. 5. Project Shakti and local entrepreneurs. Training rural women or youth as sales agents helps companies build trust and expand retail channels. Example: HUL's Project Shakti empowers women to sell FMCG products in their villages. 6. Technology-based distribution. Mobile apps, digital payment systems, and WhatsApp orders are now being used to connect retailers and customers, reducing delays in delivery. Quick recap tip: HDVHST. Hub and spoke. Distributors. Van sales. Haats and melas. Shakti entrepreneurs. Technology. Example: Amul uses a strong rural retail network by working with local cooperatives, distributors, and retailers to deliver milk and dairy products even in remote villages.